Hi there, Annie here from Tech2Ites and talking about the phone. So here is the box. After opening up, the first thing you get is the smartphone itself. Let's keep it aside, we will have an overlook at this later. Then we have the charger. Seems to be 5 volt at 1 amps. That means it is just a okay. It's not even 2 amp charger but will get your work done. Next is the USB cable that seems to be of pretty good quality. No issues with that. Surprisingly, we do get a plastic transparent back cover at this price point. Many phones even at 30,000 doesn't offer this. Apart from this, we do get a screen protector. So basically this is not a tempered glass. We do get the wipes, absorber and stuff. Finally we have the manual in English, surprisingly, as it's imported from China. And a warranty card, which shouldn't work in India because there is no service center. Now let's put the battery inside and continue towards our first boot. Let's remove this and wow, another screen protector that comes pre-applied. So basically you are getting two screen protectors. One comes with a pre-applied with the phone and another one in the box package. And by the time it boots up, let me give you a physical overview. On the back we have dual 5 megapixel rear shooting camera, single tone dual LED flash, fingerprint scanner, metal back, Bluetooth branding and the speakers. On the right side there are volume rockers and power button. On the bottom we have primary microphone, left side is untouched, and on the top we have USB power port with 3.5mm audio jack. One thing that you might get shocked of is that this thing comes with Android 7.2 Nougat out of the box. And I believe this is one of those rarest devices which come out of the box with Android 7.2 Nougat under 7,000 rupees. To add fingerprint scanner, tap repeatedly on the back. Frankly speaking, stock back cover destroys phone beauty. And if you doesn't believe on that, just see this. How worse it looks. Fingerprint scanner is superior under this price point and works 90% of the time, at least for me. Now this one is having a single speaker. Still the audio is louder than many mid-range smartphones and I am having no issues with that. Using the Chrome, site opening was late even with a 1000 Mbps connection. So it's better to install a new WebView because the pre-installed WebView is worse. One thing you will notice is that the screen is fingerprint magnet. Camera performance is good for $80 smartphone. Dual camera helps to get 2x zoom, so you won't lose the quality even while zooming. Here you can see, even after zooming the text is readable. Dual front cameras are just okay, not too good, not too bad, but it's just okay, at least better than the Xiaomi Redmi 4A. In the first pic, due to SLR mode, the camera is able to catch some nice bokeh. But when you go too close to the object, it doesn't focus. Even in daylight, you should have stable hands. Even a minor shake can destroy your pic. And yes, forget about sharpening and detailing. You won't get that with this camera. There is no sharpening in the pic nor even any detailing. So yes, you can get that by using pic editors such as Snapseed. HDR seems to be pretty well, and here in this pic, HDR was at its best. This type of HDR is very rare. The quality of the picture is really amazing, though there is a lot of sunlight, but just notice the dish HUD. It was completely black, but with the HDR, you can easily see that. This phone comes with a HD panel, so you can watch YouTube videos at 720p. Overall, it is an awesome phone for $80 or rupees 5,000. It's not even 5,000 rupees. Specs on both paper and real time are amazing. This thing can give a really tough competition to other mobile phones at 5,000 rupees. This doesn't even cost 5,000 rupees. It's just 4,871. You can buy it now or wait, and I am pretty sure that after 1 year, Micromax will rebrand this soon, and I don't know the name, maybe U Blue or anything like that. So thanks guys, this is Anand from Tech2Ites. I hope that you like the video. In case you like the video, thumbs up. In case you want to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, peace.